Hello everyone, so now we are going to do one basic lab here. So I will take one router, you can see this is one router, and then I will take some switch. I taken two switch, and then I will take some computer here. Okay, three computer here, three computer here. This is a basic setup. We are connecting the computer to the switch, and here also computer to the switch, and from this switch to this router, this switch to this router, and here we are going to assign this IP. This is a basic network, we can say 1.1/24 this side, and the other side I will use 192.168.2.1/24. so this side we will have this IP, this side we will have this IP, and here we have one switch and some PC. So let's start doing the configuration. So I will take this router and I will go here, I will write here no, and then enable config T host name R1 I will give. First I will assign the IP address to the interface F0/0. I will write here IP address 192.168.1.1, give space 255.255.255.0 and write no shut. Then we have another interface F0/1. I will write here IP address 192.168.2.1, give space, write 255.255.0 and write no shut. This way we assign the IP address. This one we know that, but now this machine is not having the IP, so we will configure the DHCP. So I will write here DHCP IP DHCP pool. We can give any pool name. I will give pool A, and this side I will write network, and network ID we need to write 1.0 and the subnet mask what you want to give, and you need to define the default router. That will be the router interface that we are calling as a the router interface IP, that will be the gateway, and the DNS what you want to give, that one. That's all. This is a DHCP configuration for this side. Okay, with this one, this side computer will get the IP. If you see here, this side computer will get the IP. See here, they are getting the IP from the DHCP 192.168.1.2 subnet mask and the gateway and the DNS. Whatever we set, we are getting here this side, but the other side you will not get that one. If you want to see the other side, you will not get. See this side you are getting here also. If you go and check here, only this side, that is F0/0 we configure, we are getting. But if you check here, because we did not enable the DHCP for this side, that's why you will not get here. You will get the IP from APIPA. So requesting IP address, and it will fail, and you will get the IP from APIPA. So what you need to do, you need to configure. See here, you have the DHCP fail here. So now we can configure here, and if you see here, because we have the conflict also here, I think somewhere before when they are assigning, that time you have the conflict. So here 1.3 you get, here you see what you get 1.4. So what we will do, we should not have the conflict. If you see here IP address conflict, we have server ping 192.168.1.1. so to avoid the conflict, what we will do, we will write IP DHCP exclude address. So we will say DHCP don't give this IP to anyone, so I exclude this IP here. Okay, same thing if I want to do for the other side also, I will exclude that IP also here, like 2.1, because now I will do the DHCP server for this side, so I exclude the gateway. I don't want to give that IP. I will write IP DHCP pool. Okay, I can give any name. Don't give the same name. If you give here and here both are same name, this will override with this one. So name should be different. Then write network and the network ID. Whatever the network ID you have here, 2.0 will be network ID, and write the subnet mask here. After that default router, and give the gateway, whatever the gateway you have here, that one. And DNS if you want to give, you can write the DNS also here, DNS server IP, and press enter. That's all, and you can save the configuration, and you can go here and go to the computer and click here again, click here and check. You will get the correct IP 192.168.2.2 you are getting here, and here if you see, you will get 2.3. Let's see 2.3, and gateway will be the router interface IP. and if you go here and do here also, you will get here also 2.4 and the gateway will be 2.1. Now if you want to ping, you can ping also. There you have the 2.4, so you can ping from this IP. What is the IP of this computer? You can write IP config. This computer is having 1.2 and you want to ping this with which IP? Here you can see 2.4, so we can ping 2.4 here. So I will write here ping 192.168.2.4 and you can see here reply will come or not. Let's see. Because we are using router is a device which is used to make the communication between different network. They are different network, and when we ping, reply is coming here, so it is working perfectly. So here we learn how to design the small network and how to configure the DHCP in this lab.